the felt, right? I joined the center back at 1/2 inch, right? Okay. I cut the under part using the collar shaper, which is this one right here, right? Okay. And what grain did I put it on? Bias, yes. Now, I marked the center back seam. See the center back seam? Center back seam is there, okay? And I placed the center back seam on the seam line of the felt. So in other words, this is my felt, this is the seam.
Did you cut it down as well?
Wait a minute.
Oh, sorry.
This goes here, like that, on top. See this? This one on top of that one. Okay, now, the felt seam allowance you should cut down to 1/4 and press open. Remember, that was a double stitch and then back tack at each end, okay? And then for the canvas, you mark the 1/2 inch seam allowance. You could only press one at a time. So I can tell that she pressed this one first because it's below this one, okay? So we match the center back to the grain line. We sew this one, and then we match this one on top of here at center back, and then we press it. Now, it should press so that you have 1/2 inch seam allowance all around like this. Does it not look the same?
Yes.
Okay, now what Sabrina did to help her was that she took this, she put center back on the center back seam, and she marked it with the chalk, and then she flipped it, put center back on center back seam, marked it with the chalk, and flipped it so that she has as a guide. It's okay, I usually use my eye, but if you want to do it that way, it's fine. Either way is right, okay? I need this for next week. Now, you got to remember that you have center, 1/2 inch at center back. I've had students from this point here add an extra 1/2 inch, so the collar is bigger. And I don't know it until the very end, when we're going to put it on the body. Okay, so follow.